The weather's finally warm, spring is here, perfect time to get outside and get a little vitamin D and also do a little spring home maintenance. Periodic checks to your home can help you keep everything in good working condition. However, with so many systems and components, it can be a little overwhelming. So in today's video, I'm going to go over 8 of the most common items I want you to look at. Clean and repair any damaged gutters or downspouts. We want to make sure that the water can flow freely away from the home. Clogged gutters can damage the eave by water overflowing back up underneath the shingles. Perform a visual inspection of the roof. You don't have to get up on it if you're not comfortable, but I want you to look for any missing or damaged shingles, vents, flashing, plumbing pipes, and let your roofer know if there's anything that needs to be addressed. And this is the only area I'm going to recommend you hire a professional to make any repairs. If roofing repairs are not made correctly, they are actually more prone to leaking even worse. Exterior wooden structures can take a real beating over the winter. I recommend making any repairs and staining and resealing all decks, railings, fences to preserve the condition. Your windows and doors are only as good as their integrity. I would replace any ripped or torn screens, or sometimes if it's a small hole or tear, you can get away with buying a repair kit at your local hardware store. Temperature fluctuations can take a real toll on the hardscaping around your home. For asphalt and concrete, I recommend repairing any cracks or blemishes. And for asphalt, I recommend resealing every year, and concrete resealing it every 3rd year. If your home is equipped with an irrigation system, after you de-winterize it, replace any broken heads or pipes, and make sure that we don't have any sprinklers pointed at the home. The worst time to find out your air conditioning isn't working is during a heat wave. Just because it's blowing cold air doesn't mean it's working as efficiently as it can. I recommend changing out your furnace filter and scheduling an annual maintenance checkup with your heating and air conditioning contractor before the summer gets here. Last but not least, check for any obvious signs of pest issues. Check the exterior, your eaves, attics, crawl spaces, for any holes or nests. Correct any low or settled areas with standing water to minimize mosquitoes. If you are having any pest issues, call Mike at Ento Pest Control, who is today's video sponsor, at 630-543-5040. He's actually my stepfather. If you need somebody in the greater Chicagoland area, give him a call. He's your guy. Keeping up on your home maintenance is the best way to reduce expensive repair costs. I hope this checklist was helpful. If you're still uncomfortable walking your house, please give me a call to schedule an annual home maintenance walk at 773-403-3298.